Can the LIC's new money back plan 20 years align with your needs for periodic payouts to achieve your financial goals? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, LIC New Money Back Plan is a non-linked life individual savings plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: this plan combines protection and savings aspect, and survival benefits are paid at specific intervals during the policy term, and you also have an option to enhance coverage by adding rider benefits with an additional premium, and you get attractive rebate for higher sum assured amounts, and there is flexibility to receive the death benefit as a lump sum or an installment based on the individual's financial needs, and you also get access to liquidity through a loan facility to address urgent financial requirements. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Now let us take a look at the benefits available under this plan. So first of all, death benefit is something the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get if the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So here, if in case the unfortunate death of the policyholder happens during the policy term, then sum assured on death along with vested simple reversionary bonus and final additional bonus will be given to the nominee or the legal heir. So here the sum assured on death is defined as the higher of either 125% of the basic sum assured or 7 times your annualized premium, or your death benefit shall not be less than 105% of the total premium paid up to the date of death. So these are the death benefits. So survival benefit is something the policyholder will get if he survives till the end of the premium term. So 20% of the basic sum assured shall be payable at the end of the 5th, 10th or 15th policy year. And maturity benefit is something the policyholder will get once the policy matures. So sum assured on maturity along with vested simple reversionary bonus and final additional bonus if any shall be payable. So here the sum assured on maturity is equal to 40% of the basic sum assured, and you also get bonuses in this policy, like simple reversionary bonus shall be declared annually at the end of each financial year. So once declared, they form part of your guaranteed benefits of the plan. And final additional bonus may also be declared under the policy in the year when the policy results into a claim either by death or maturity at such rate and on such term as may be declared by the corporation. So these are all the benefits available under this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantages are: you have rider options to enhance coverage and a settlement option to receive your maturity benefit in installment over a chosen period of 5, 10 or even 15 years instead of a lump sum. And you have the flexibility to receive the death benefit in installment over 5, 10 or 15 years instead of a lump sum. And there are attractive rebate for higher sum assured amounts, and you get access to policy loan with a maximum loan amount of up to 75% of your surrender value. So these are the advantage. The disadvantages are: your policy term and premium payment term in this policy lacks flexibility. The survival benefits may also fall short of covering significant expenses. The plan offers low returns on investment, and there is no option to defer or accumulate your survival benefit. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to consider before choosing to invest in this policy. Now, as you have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. So here what we are going to do is we are going to analyze this policy by calculating the IRR, internal rate of return of this policy, to determine what kind of returns we will get at the end of the day and whether that will be sustainable in the long term or not. So just for the calculation purpose, let us consider a 30-year-old male opting for a 5 lakh base sum assured, so 6.25 lakhs under death benefit. So under this policy, the policy term is 20 years, premium paying term 15 years and an annual premium of 38,704 rupees. So survival benefit of 1 lakh, which is 20% of your sum assured, or paid 3 times during the plan's policy term. So at maturity, the remaining 40% of the sum assured along with bonuses, which is non-guaranteed, is paid. So here we are going to assume the maturity benefit using two future rate of return like 4% and 8% to indicate worst and best case scenario, just to give you a clear idea of what you can expect. These are not guaranteed returns and in no way indicating these are the only possible range of outcome you can get from this policy. This is just to show you that what can happen in the worst and best case scenario. So at 4% per annum, which is the worst case scenario, your final maturity amount is 2.70 lakhs. So IRR here is negative 0.24% as per the policy's maturity calculator. This negative return means you would have earned better returns by parking your money in a savings account which also offers liquidity. At 8% per annum, in the best case scenario, your final maturity amount is 4.92 lakhs, where the IRR comes around 3.52%. So while better than the 4% scenario, this return is still lower than the inflation rate, reducing your purchasing power over time. So the returns from this plan are significantly lower than what debt instrument like fixed deposit or bonds could offer. So given its low return and lack of flexibility, this plan may not be the best financial choice for achieving your financial goals. So as this policy provides us with poor investment return and inadequate life coverage due to its combined life insurance and investment structure, for a better approach, we are going to separate life insurance and investment in this comparative analysis, which to see whether it can lead us to higher returns and greater flexibility. So just for example scenario, let us assume that for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 6.5 lakh, which costs 4,300 rupees annually, with a 20-year term and a premium payment duration of 10 years. This leaves us with 34,404 rupees annually for 10 years, which is available for investment. So for this analysis, we assume the investment is made in an ELSS fund. In the LIC plan, the premium is paid for 15 years. With the term plan, the premium is paid for 10 years. So leaving the full 38,704 rupees available for investment during the remaining 5 years. So to match the survival benefit of the LIC policy, equivalent amount are withdrawn from the ELSS investment during the policy term. At the end of 20 years, the remaining units in the ELSS are redeemed with capital gains tax calculated only at final redemption, considering the LTCG exemption of up to 1.25 lakhs per year. The combined strategy of a term plan and ELSS investment yields an IRR of 10.47%, which is a post-tax return. This significantly outperforms your LIC new money back plan, offering higher returns and greater flexibility to withdraw funds as per your needs. The lack of flexibility and low life coverage makes this plan a less appealing choice for achieving your financial goals. So what is the final verdict on LIC new money back policy 20 years? Is it worth investing or not? As you can see from our analysis that this plan delivers below average return and offer inadequate insurance coverage, making it insufficient to address your family's basic financial need. So as a result, this policy falls short on both insurance and investment aspect, and it also has a high agent commission. So to build a solid financial foundation, it is essential to assess your risk tolerance and financial goal. Based on these, create a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your investment time horizon and risk profile. Prioritize securing a pure term life insurance policy to ensure adequate protection for your family. These policies offer affordable premiums and substantial coverage, serving as a reliable safety net. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.